Yo guys, Nike is literally playing games with us. They playing with our emotions. They playing with our sneakers. They know we want them. And it's just crazy that we got some new information about the Air Jordan 1 I'm Back UNLAs that we're going to discuss today. But just last week or 2 weeks ago, they just said we're going to see a sneakers app drop for the UNLAs. And then they said we spoke too soon and it's been crickets ever since. But we got some new updated information that we're about to talk about in today's video, man. Let's get right to it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video from your boy, The Vintage. I'm back and we got some new information, some much needed information, and something that I've been eyeing and kind of seeing what's going on with I'm Backs, what's going on with the SBs, what's going on with all these crazy releases that we're getting in March. But if you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and make sure you guys run the lights up, man. Every single like counts. It shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. If y'all rocking with the vibes, y'all rocking with the channel, y'all want to continue to grow together, y'all do those great things for me. And comment down below if you are ready for the SBs, these I'm Backs. And we have a couple other releases this month that I feel like are worthy of a mention, man. But all out the way, let's get into today's details about these I'm Backs that we got for y'all today, man. All right, so I was scrolling on Instagram last night, actually. I was scrolling Instagram last night and we got some more information this morning about the I'm Back UNLAs, and the information switched 3 times now. So again, first of all, we've seen a tweet from Nike Sneakers saying they will drop the UNLAs. Then we've seen a second tweet saying that they spoke too soon about the drop. We'll be back for further details. And then now we're going to be seeing an exclusive access for the Air Jordan 1 Union to LAs. Now I say, you know what? Nike is literally playing games. First of all, we ain't seen a shop drop all year. We ain't seen nothing of any caliber of a shop drop on the Nike Sneakers app, and they cutting back on stock. They cut back on pairs that we getting. Everything is just totally different. It's a totally different ball game in terms of copping sneakers. But for the Air Jordan 1 I'm Back UNLAs, we've seen a drop on UNLA's website. We've seen a couple different raffles and stuff, but we've seen nothing with Nike. And now tomorrow we will see an exclusive access, is what we're hearing currently for these Air Jordan 1. So usually and typically how exclusive access worked back in the day is that you'll get like an a notification saying you got exclusive access and get shoes while supplies last or something like that. But now with it being 2025, I don't even know what an exclusive access looks like. Maybe they say an exclusive access is shock drops now. I don't know. All I know is that we have 2 banger releases scheduled this week, the SBs and the UNLAs. And we haven't, it's literally, you can pull up Sneakers app right now. Take a second, pull up Sneakers app, and I'm gonna pull it up right now too, just to make sure I ain't tripping. It is currently 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time when I'm shooting this video, and I see nothing. I'm talking about nothing on the Nike Sneakers app, but a pair of the Obsidian ones, Air Forces, some Air Max Big Head Origins, but no UNLA, no SBs, and the release date for both of those sneakers is 18th of March. So what is going on, Nike? I need help. I need help. My subscribers need help. So hopefully we get some solid information. But as of right now, the solid information is that it's going to be an exclusive access tomorrow on the Nike Sneakers app, which kind of means a couple things. So if you like me, you kind of watch the market, seeing how the shoe does. You trying to see how many pairs is going to drop on this exclusive access. So still right now, currently, the I'm Back Air Jordan 1s are going for about $450, $460 in my size. I'm going to check again just to make sure, it ain't did nothing too crazy. But with it being exclusive access, it typically means it's a lot less stock than a shock drop, of course, or in like a regular drop on the app. Exclusive access is very, very slim pickings. So I would even see that the resale will climb just a little bit in my opinion. But again, in my size, nah, man, they're only going for actually, I was all the way wrong. My size is going for $371. That's what I'm talking about, bro. It's a couple other sizes still going for 400, 14 going for like 440, 49, size 12 going for 413, but it still dropped dramatically from the first video that we did dropping. Depending on how many pairs we see on this exclusive access, we can see these things dropping even further. I think I was right when I told y'all, but the resale will drop, and my size sitting at 400, well, like 400 after taxes and fees, is a lot cheaper than the 500 plus that we seen a couple weeks ago for the original drop on Unit LA website. So hey man, there are pairs out there. It's not like a mass-produced sneaker, but there are pairs out there. You know, the little Timmies, they gon', as we call it, little Timmies, they let their pairs go and it drops to resale. So the highest bid that they see, they taking it. They gonna keep dropping that price, and then people gonna eat them up. And yeah, that's just pretty much how the resale dropping goes. But I'm super excited to see this. I'm super excited to see that my size is only going for 370 bones. So you guys might see something very, very soon. But again, I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait like another couple days just to see how this exclusive access does play out. Be very tempted to do a recap video to help you guys out, see how things went, see how the release went. But of course, we got the SBs and the Air Jordan 1 Unit LA, so we shall see what happens. And I just told y'all only about the Unit LAs because I seen nothing. I'm talking about zero information about the Air Jordan 4 SB Navy Blues. And that's one of mine. That's one of the ones I gotta get. Like, that's one that's coming to the collection that I know I'm gonna grab, and I'm gonna check the resale on those as well, just to see kind of what them joints is talking about, since we are a day before the release. And I don't see these in. Okay, here we go. SB Navies, and my size going for $380. So both the shoes that I've been wanting are going for reasonable prices. They're not going for like $500-600 that we've seen previously for both of these sneakers. Now we're in a reasonable price margin in terms of paying for this shoe. You know what I say? You gotta pay to play sometime. I took an L on a raffle I did for the Brick by Bricks, the Unit LAs, SBs. So guess what I gotta do for all three of those? Yeah. But the good thing is the resale is dropping, not dramatically, but it's dropping in the right area. Like we seeing that downward slope in the resale value, and I am all here for it, bro. I need those Brick by Bricks. I need these Unit LAs, and I need the SBs. And that'll probably be the last couple of sneakers I, add to the collection until we get to, like, the Undefeated 4s, Taxi 12s, and then the Legend Blues. Everything else, I think I'm good on, if I'm being 100% honest. I think that's about it. But yeah, guys, I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. So to sum it up, I know I talk a lot. I'll be excited to chop it up with you guys. But we do have an exclusive access tomorrow. As of right now, this is the information out there on the block. We had a couple here at YouTube to let you guys know what's going on. Exclusive access tomorrow. Still no word on the SB4. So if you got any information about these two sneakers, please hit me up on IG or just comment it in the comment section so we can help everybody out watching today's video, man. But I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for your boy. And ultimately said, man, your boy, the Ventus. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace. Let's see what happened with these sneaks, man.